Good morning. This is the weather report speaking to you. This week we will start with a very sunny day with and temperature on 30 degrees. An excellent day to exercise and you will not stay at home bored. Uh, Tuesday we will have moderate food, weather to sleep, cold and guided wind and temperature of 19 degrees. Excellent day to make chocolate and with a lot of cheese. Don't not go out to the pool because you can freeze. And Wednesday we will have a date in Torrential Road, Sunday state and home playing video games, not go on the out in the strange and very dangerous. Thursday and cloud day with company us and the habit friends are adding get embrace if we are going to go out. And we will finish with a fantastic uh, free date with a beautiful sky craft of cloud ready for us is to go fishing and not get bored in our jump. Uh, Happy week. Thank you. Bye bye.